Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, and the second is using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both. And let's begin with the contacts. Let's open the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. As you can see, after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages. So just tap on block. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and tap on block. And as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified here, and from now on this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now let me show you another way to block a number, and here it doesn't really matter if it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers in the general section, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so everything went fine. And here from this step we can add a number manually, so we do not have to have it saved on our contacts. Just tap on add a phone number, and as you can see right here we can enter it. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. And what's more, we've got the option unknown, and you can tap on it in order to activate it. And from now on, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers, which is quite cool and it may be quite useful. You can turn it off just by tapping on it. And if you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.